Hi everyone. I'm going to do a really small painting because I'm going to try out something that I saw actually. Something, it was EM4 Art 2D. Actually, I saw the artist doing type of a flick with the spatula, which I'll be trying. I brought out my cake spatula. So today I'll be working on a black background. I'll be using Artist Loft Black. My colors actually today, April is Autism Awareness Month, so that's what my colors are inspired from. So I'll be using all kinds of different blues. I'll be using from Artist Loft Brilliant Blue. I have a bit of leftover from Deco Art Peacock Blue. I have two new colors here I'm excited to try. The first one is from Folk Art Ink Spot, and the other one, Metallic Ice Blue from Folk Art as well. So I'm excited to try those. I've never tried that company. And my white is the leftover I had, mix of Artist Loft White and Deco Art White. All that I mixed with some Floetrol, some liquid silicone, I'll be using this one today, and some water. So I'm excited to see how it turns out for me. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Bye!